we're going to be ready to place this plate into the acid, and this is what is going to happen. Just a general idea is in this drawing. Here we have our acid tray, which contains the acid. We're going to use nitric acid because we are using a zinc plate. Here, this is representing the plate, and the red lines are representing the hard ground, what we apply. And it's basically the brown stuff. And if you notice here, when we move it and when we break the brown waxy material, there is some shiny little lines that appear. And that is where the acid is going to bite. We are leaving exposed the metal. So the acid is going to start biting and creating these grooves. So these grooves that they are being created is basically where the ink is going to rest. And when we remove the ground, the red line, all the blue areas of the zinc plate, they are going to be totally clean. But here is where the ink is going to live. So that's basically the idea of this technique. Every acid, according to their solution, we create a test table. As you can see here, is divided by time and how many times this has been exposed into the acid. That gives us an idea for how long are we going to leave our plate, what is the result regarding the line quality that we're going to get. We're going to place it, but I did already this work. So I will show you now the plate that I have been working on. It's the same drawing, as you saw it, and it has different kinds of timings. As you see in the shiny areas, is where I have been scratching the most. Is in the brown areas, like here, is where the scratching hasn't been that much, which means these areas are going to be darker and these areas are going to be lighter. Again, every time that you work with acid, it has to be an open space or have a vent like the one that we have here. And I'm going to remove the lid, but before I'm going to put the vent, I'm going to turn it on. So now it is safe for me to remove the lid. So this is our plate. Now you have to remember that we need to have some timing. If we want this kind of dark in the line, we need to leave it 1 minute. Or we want this kind of dark lines, we need to leave it for 20 minutes. Here it is. So we're going to just place it into the acid, hit a start, and we're just going to wait for a minute. Oh, this is a process, and this is going to be the way that you're going to do it on and on, as many times as you can. I'm just going to